I'm going to show you how to use Google Stack. It's an app that allows you to take pictures of documents and turn them into PDFs. Then you can organize them by category. Currently, it's only available for Android. Hopefully, it'll be available for iOS in the future. My name is Shaman, and I make app and website tutorials and reviews. So let's get into it. So this is what the Google Stack icon looks like. I'm going to open the app up. And this is what it looks like when you have a fresh install. As you can see, there are categories in here already. There's bills, banking, house, IDs, etc. So if you want to, you can add custom categories. I'm going to click edit, and then I am going to click the plus on the bottom. So right now it says name my category. Well, this is name my stack. So what I'm going to do is name this, let's just say doctor's notes. And then I'm going to create. So now I have that category there, and you can name many other categories here if you want to. And they have some suggested stacks on the bottom also. So I'm going to go back. Now what you do is you hit the plus add document icon on the bottom right hand corner, and then you're going to have the options to import a PDF, to import from the gallery, or to take a photo. So I'm going to take a photo. So this is a document that I have right here. You get it in the frame. It's going to have those white bars around on the side, or those around the edges. You click the scan button right there. So then it actually converts that and puts it into a PDF. So if I want to add anything additional to this, like if there's several pages, I can hit the add button, and I'm going to do that right now. I have another page here. Click the add button. I'm going to align this up here, and I'm going to hit scan. So now I have 2 pages to this document. If I want, I can add a 3rd page. So I'm going to click save, and it automatically is going to assign a name to it. It says health insurance card, but usually I wind up making my own name. So I can just say health record, let's just say. Okay, so this is health record. You can call it anyway, anything you want. So right here, it automatically categorizes it under insurance. I'm going to deselect that, and then I'm going to choose doctor's notes on the bottom. So then I click done. So now it's going to ask, do you want to save a copy of this to your Google Drive? And I'm going to click continue. So now every time I digitize something in here, it's going to go into my Google Drive. So that's how you use it. Now I'm going to get something that's small. I have a small piece of mail that came, so let's scan that. So I'm going to click add documents, take a photo, and then I am going to scan this. Now everything scanned perfectly, but let's just say things didn't align well. You can actually tap the center of that icon, and you can drag the edges down to get it to wherever you want to get it. So let's just say I want to take the orange off of here, and I want to get it right up to the yellow. I can make edits, because sometimes it doesn't work depending on what type of document you have, although most of the time it does. So then I click done, and then I'm just going to have the yellow portions. Click save, and it says what that is, misfit markets. So I'm going to leave that as that, and I'm just going to take the receipt part out. And then it says that it's a receipt, but it's not actually a receipt. So let's just say that it is medical. I could name something here if I want to. I can click view all, and then I can actually create another. Scroll down to the bottom, click the plus sign and create, but I don't need to do that because this is just for an example. So I'm going to click done, and that's going to be categorized. So then what you can do is you can click all documents, and you can see all the documents, and you can view them at any time. You can click in the upper right hand corner, this icon here, and then you can share them with different people through email, through text, or do different things with them like that. Another thing you can do is, I'm going to go back to the home page. You can actually click on one of the actual stacks, which is actually a category, and then you can view whatever's in there. And then if you want to, you can come up to the top, and then you click the icon that's in the upper right hand corner. Then you click settings, And then in here, you have import photos of documents. So if you take pictures with your camera, it's automatically going to recognize that and import them automatically. I usually turn that off. And then the second option I usually keep, where it says use fingerprint or face lock. So this way it's an extra layer of protection, so you can have to use your fingerprint or face lock if you want to access Google Stack. And underneath that is if you want to allow it to work on mobile data or just Wi-Fi only. And then underneath that it says save PDF copy to the drive, which is selected. So you can delete all your data and you can export all documents, and you can click about to find out a little bit of information about this, what version it is. So let's come back here. And that's how Google Stack works. And you can even search at the top, click on search documents, and you can type in record. So anything with the name record in it will come up, and then you open it up. And let's say you made a mistake. So you can click these, it's like 3 lines on the bottom right hand of the screen right here. And then you can actually crop and rotate them. You can adjust the color. You can add another page to this document if you want. And let's go back here, or you can scroll, you can click the add detail, and you can type some different things in there about the label or about some numbers. So I'm going to hit the back button here to exit out of there. Hit back again. Then you can add a note. You can type a note in here if you want to, or you can even hit edit and add a different stack. So I'm going to add bills here. So it's going to be on the bills and doctor's notes category. So you can have that in there too. I actually want to show you how to add something from your gallery. So there's a few ways you can do it. You can go directly to your gallery, or you can just click add document. So I'm going to do it from Google Stack and click add document. And then it says import a PDF or import an image from the gallery. So I'm going to click the gallery. So as you can see right here, I actually have a receipt that I took a picture of with my camera app. And then I'm going to click save. And I'll just leave that as receipt. You can type whatever you want to be, and that's going to go into the receipt column, stack or category. So I'm going to click done. Now it's going to automatically be in there. So if you click, so I'm going to turn this off. So if you click the receipts category, you'll see that receipt there. Or you click all documents, you'll see all the documents you ever scanned. So now let me show you what it looks like on Google, on your Google Drive. So as you can see, I don't use this account often. So the only folder you're going to see in this Google Drive is Stack, and it's a green folder by default. So if I had other folders in here, you will see those, and I will be able to scroll, and you will notice the Stack is in green. So when I click on Stack, I open up the documents that are in there, and you're going to be able to see all of the documents that I just scanned are in here. So you can access them directly in your Google Drive, or you can access them in the Google Stack app. I find it easier to access them in the Google Stack app because you can actually go to your stacks or your categories, and you can search in there, and then when you find it, you can email it to yourself, or you can do whatever you want, send it to someone that way. So that's how you use Google Stack. And if this video was helpful, give it a like and subscribe to my channel, and click the bell icon so you'll be notified when I release new videos. I'll catch you on the next one.